Hi everyone, and welcome to the episode 5 of Python Simple series. In the previous episode, I talked about some basic operations of mathematics in Python. In this episode, I want to discuss about some more advanced functions and operations of mathematics in Python. Also introducing a new library called math. Okay, so let's go. First of all, I want to tell you that there's a popular library in Python named math. So what are the libraries? Libraries are some piece of codes that are written by some experts, and when you import them, you don't need to again and again write that piece of code, and it's a very good, I think it's a very good gift for the developers and programmers, especially in Python. Okay, so first of all, when you want to use a library, you should use this syntax: import math. Okay, in the next episodes we also will find aliases. After that we can write a name, for example empty, but now is enough because math is a simple name. Okay, import math. Right now we have imported this library into Python. Okay, and here we can also before this we can okay, no problem, I can put it here, and also here I can put a text, some more advanced math functions and operations. Okay, and make it bold and shift it. Okay, first of all import math, then let's see what are the functions. For example, like this, we have two basic functions, floor and Ceil. As the name tells to us, floor will be the floor of a number. For example, 2.7, the floor of it would be 2, and Ceil like this. Okay, so you can see this number is the floor of the main number here, and this number is the Ceil of the main number. Okay, we can see right now how to write the code. Math.floor. When we use a library to call it, we should first write the library name and then the function that we want to call, and in the function, in the body of function, we should put the arguments, maybe one argument or two or more. It depends on the function. And here we will see that what is the result. Okay, yes, according to this, yes, that's right. 2, the floor of 2.7 is 2, and Ceil 2.7 would be 3. Yes, that's right. You can also work with them with another numbers. Okay, another function that I want to tell to you is combination. Okay, combination of, for example, n and k would be n factorial on k factorial n minus k factorial. Okay, for example, combination of 3 and 2 would be 3 factorial, 2 factorial, and 3 minus 2 factorial. it would be 3 factorial to 2 factorial. You know that this is and this is, so it would be 3. Let's see. math.comp 3 and 2. Yes, that's right, 3. So maybe of you some of you in the maybe elementary or some levels, maybe some don't know what is factorial. I should introduce it first. N factorial means n multiply n minus 1, n minus 2 till 1. Okay, so for example 3 factorial is 3 to 1, which would be 6. If we want to use it, math.factorial, yes, 3, it would be 6. Yes, that's right. Okay, maybe you also come to your mind that what's the factorial of minus numbers. It's a very complex math subject that you can read, and it's out of the scope of this course. Okay, maybe in the future very advanced topics we will talk about that. We also have some other functions like absolute value of a number, for example minus 3. Okay, absolute value, but it doesn't use math library. It's in the native of it's in the function primary functions of the Python, because I forgot to tell you in the previous episode. Absolute value or for example this would be this. Okay, so minus 3 is this, and okay, in Python this is ABS, absolute value of a number. Okay, so another functions that we want to we want to introduce in this episode is some popular functions. For example, you know that sin x, okay, like this. Sorry, yeah, the sinus function from 0 to 2p, it's a period. Okay, because these two, why it is a period? Because these two numbers are in the same phase. You see, these 2 points are in the same phase, so this is a one cycle or one period. Okay, this is a sinus x function. In Python we can have it in math library, math.sin. It will get radians. Okay, radians measured in radians. For example, you know radian, what is radian? Like this, p, for example, p, you know, is about 3.14. okay, also if you want to have it in exact value, math.p. yes, since we want to refer to it many times and I don't like to repeat math.p, we can put it in this value. Okay, in p or pi, yes, this is okay. So math.sin pi, okay, or pi divided by 2. We know that this value is what? Is 1. Okay, so we expect that the result of this would be 1. Yeah, that's right. And also math.arcsine. Arcsine means the inverse function, okay, arcsine, and also in radian the result would be radian. Okay, for example, math arcsine 1, it would give us the pi divided by 2, you can see here. Okay, and also you can use it for another functions like cosinus, for example pi. Okay, it will be -1. Good. And also for 0. Okay, the last function you can I will put this link for you in the comment in the description of this video. This document by Python are many functions, many math functions that you can find here. Maybe in some episodes we also introduce some of them, but no need to memorize or know all of them. It depends on the application that you need. And one good function that I see here was yes, degrees and radians. When you want to, for example, change and convert radians to degrees or degrees to radians, you can write like this: math.radians 180. Okay, yeah, it will give us the radians of degree, this degree, and this is right. And math.degrees for example pi. Yeah, that's right. Okay, so math.radians will return us the radians of a degree, and math.degree will return a degree of a radians. Okay, there are some more advanced functions, but also logarithm and exponential functions are nice functions. You can see exponential function is like this. Oh, sorry, this pen here not working very fast, so I will, okay, yeah, this is the exponential function you can see here. Yes, e to the x, and you know the e is a value approximately 2.7. okay, so we can see that math.exp 1 e to the 1, so it will return us the same value of e. Yes, that's right. Okay, my purpose in this video was to introduce some math functions to you, but not all of them, because we want to use them for our applications. In each application and each scenario we will introduce and use some of them that we didn't cover yet. Okay, so I hope that it would be useful and informative for you, and if you like it, don't forget to introduce this channel to your friends and colleagues. Hope see you in the next videos. Bye.